Going into the weekend, let's get him some of that sweet baby. What were you drinking? Your blueberry. I forget what it was. Some kind of habanero blueberry sauce thing. Let's do it. Here we go. So you got the hobby box and the hybrid. Let's do the hybrid first. Let's get him. All we need, one of those bangers, and we're gonna make it happen. One of them. Let's go. Or you can show me a black disco. I'll take a black disco. The 101 guys. We haven't seen one of those for a while. Here's Lamar Jackson, Justin Jefferson, Keyshawn Vaughn, and all right, not bad. The Clyde Edwards, LR, silver disco, LT, and a Saquon. Come on now. All right, blue guy coming up. Jalen Rager and Nick Chubb. Jameis Winston. God dang it, Joshua Kelly. I see the Chargers uniform. I get all geeked out. 10 out of 25. Joshua Kelly. Wish it was a Justin Herbert. Come on now. All right, red guy coming at you. Let's go. We got the support from cornerback from you guys. I love it. Justin Jefferson. Brodeo. Okay, Dak Prescott. So the red guy, red disco, Dak Prescott, 22 out of 49. Jalen. And a sweet little Russ. We're going to need some love from this last pack. If not, we are going to need an entire basket of love in the hobby box. Let's do it. All right, you got another red guy. It looks like a field level, too. Here's Kenneth Murray. All right, Kenneth Murray. Okay. And it's a quarterback. Hey, that's not bad, though. Hey, Taysom Hill, though? Is he selling? Yes or no? He should be. 40 out of 49, Taysom Hill. Field level, red guy. Is it at least a chip shot? Can I get that? Clyde Edwards and Randy Moss. Okay. All right, we go to the hobby box for Unholy. We gotta get one Sherby. One silver Sherby, and it's gonna help ease into the weekend. I think so. Let me get it. All right, Unholy, here we go, buddy. Good luck to you. Let's do it. All right, that's a good start. You give me the blue power in there. All right, here's Brian Edwards. Isaiah Wilson. Kirk Cousins. You sandbagging SOB. So the blue power, 117 out of 175. Kirk Cousins. Zeke. Silver guy. And a Christian McCaffrey. Jedrick Wills and... All right, Lamar Jackson. One of the silver snapshots. Hamilton. Chase Young. Too many packs. Too many packs. Oh my God, Joshua Kelly. Uh-oh. Who's the purple guy? What's going on here? Okay. Josh Allen, Joshua Kelly. Darrell Taylor. That'll be 59 out of 75. But that's got to be a little chippy right there, right? A little Tom Brady silver. Yeah. And then Joshua Kelly field level. All right, can we see gold? Not yet. All right, Camilton, Patrick Queen, CeeDee Lamb. Yeah, Jerry Rice, field level silver in the Raiders uni. That's not really goofy, isn't it? All right, Cam Newton, Jacob Eason, Julio, Drew Brees, and you got Thomas Davis Sr. What? Get out of here, Thomas Davis Sr. Ain't nobody got time for that. Keep those ones down there. Oh. Sammy Darnold, Christian McCaffrey, and Carson Wentz tricolor. And it'll be 1 out of 199, Carson Wentz. Nice little Jerry Jeudy rookie jersey auto. And that will be 85 out of 99. And Noah Bungo. All right, come on now, select. Here's Jordan Fuller, Gardner Minshew, Alvin Kamara, silver guy, A.J. Brown, silver, and a Joe Montana. C.J. Henderson. There you go, a little chippy there with a Jordan Love. Clyde Edwards. Oh my God, dude, haunted by Joshua Kelly. Haunted. Rodrigo Blankenship, out of here. Get to getting. All right, Kyler Murray, A.J. Dillon, and you got Michael Thomas. Your Herbert Flawless game today, but the UPS guy ding dong ditched my house before my wife could. Really? What was he doing? I mean, it was a big rush today. Michael Thomas at a 49. Denzel Mims silver. Derelique. Here's the thing, Unholy. We need love right in here. I'll take a Jordan Love at this point. I'll take a Jordan Love. All right, Denzel Mims. Haskins. Oh, Baby Rivers. You sand it. I mean, at the bare minimum, in 19 out of 99. Baby Rivers. Tyler Johnson silver. Jarrett Stidham. Jason Moore, Kamara, Hamilton, Larry Fitz, silver, and a C.J. Henderson. Literally, it's this pack. Let's make it happen. Unholy. But here's the silver lining. Do you see what I see? It's a die cut that could be gold. Oh boy. Unholy. Can we? Wow, that's actually not a bad little banger right there. You got a little Tua, tricolor, but we got, oh my God. The gold die cut. Kevin Maui. Damn you, Kevin. 8 out of 10. I thought that was going to be the banger. We got the gold stuff, the Tua tricolor 57 out of 75, and the Kevin Maui. But it was, God, dude, I saw the gold die cut. I was like, this is it. This is how this goes. Smashing it. All right. I'll tell you what, Unholy. We gave it a shot, buddy. I appreciate you all so much, man. I'll make sure to get everything all packaged up real nice for you guys as well. But I appreciate it. You guys, I want everybody to please have a safe, healthy, maskless weekend coming up here with everything as well. I really do appreciate you guys. I can't say it enough, man. I'm already excited to plan out some breaks for us next week as well. I appreciate it. Cornerback, Isaac, Unholy, you guys, thank you so much, man. I thought you were going to hit the banger at the very, very end. Unholy. Joshua Kelly. Bye, Decoy. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it, Unholy. Thanks, buddy.